everyone, welcome back to Property Talks Thailand, your go-to source for all things real estate. Today we're heading out for a construction update on some of the most anticipated projects here in Pattaya. Today we're starting off in Boonyuen with the grandest of them all, Copacabana Coral Reef. With a scheduled completion in 2027, construction has already soared to the 36th floor. It is now already dominating the skyline and we can't wait to see what the final reveal is. Next, let's look at AssetWise's first masterpiece in Pattaya, Aquarius. I am honestly amazed at their pace. They hit the ground running immediately after the pre-launch and are now currently finishing off their 8th floor. They are right on track for their completion in November 2027. Moving on to the Rivers Group Cozy High-Rise Santa Monica. Since its launch in early 2025, the progress has been steady. Piling work began in October 2025 and we're looking forward for the grand opening in November 2028. If you're looking for low-rise luxury, Pristine Park 3 by Dissa Group is nearly there. It's currently 80% complete and the move-in date is set for early 2027. Another highly anticipated low-rise is Embassy Pattaya. While the completion date is set for December 2027, words from the project is that construction is going so fast we might even see an early finish. And finally, we can't forget Banyan Tree Residences, Lucian Sky Park, Boonyuen. With a completion target of Q4 2028, piling work is well underway and the progress is impressively steadfast. This is definitely one to watch for luxury investors. That's it for today's Boonyuen update. Which of these projects are you most excited about? Let us know in the comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pattaya real estate insights. Now, see you. Bye bye!